Those winds are causing a lot of damage out there. We're talking down trees and power lines. They were strong enough to blow part of the roof off of this building in Northwest D.C. Rafael Sanchez Cruz has been chasing the damage all night. Here's what he found.
Charlotte, we've been seeing dangerous road conditions across the DMV. We're actually at the intersection of Van Ness and Nebraska Avenue in Northwest D.C., not far from Broadcast House. And an hour and a half ago, this was completely pitch black because, like many areas in our region, there was no power and vehicles were just blowing through this intersection, making tonight even more dangerous. The wind started bringing down trees early this evening in the DMV. We spotted our first one just before 5:30 in D.C. when winds were just 15 miles per hour, according to the National Weather Service. The tree came crashing down on the 1200 block of Kingle Road Northwest, breaking this fence and partially blocking the roadway. In Montgomery County, another rotten tree snapped and fell on these power lines on the 3900 block of Wendy Lane in Silver Spring. Neighbors telling us they heard a snap sound and saw sparks flying, which made their electricity go out for a brief moment. Electrical wires were hanging just inches away from this parked car as crews arrived on scene to remove the debris. Also in Silver Spring, a large tree completely blocked off the 1800 block of Tilton Drive, nearly missing this parked car. Montgomery County Fire and Rescue say no injuries were reported. Montgomery County in Maryland was the second county with the most power outages in our region tonight, with more than 3,000 customers affected. But Fairfax County in Virginia registered more than double, with over 7,000 customers without power. One thing's for sure is that residents in the DMV have been telling us that they feel fortunate that they're not seeing the deadly devastation like in the Midwest. In Northwest D.C., Rafael Sanchez Cruz, WUSA 9.